In this video, I want to talk about two things. I want to talk about a KDP low content book alternative that you can sell on Shopify as a printable and define exactly what a printable is. And I also want to show you some training that's going to show you exactly how to do this step by step to set up your own Shopify store and sell your own printables. Again, we're talking about an alternative or in addition to what you're selling already on Amazon. Of course, on Amazon, we know and we look at things like monthly budget planner that you see right here. If you look inside of this book, you can see the cover and you know you have to create the cover as well as the interior. It's a standard interior journal budget planner that we all know and love. But what you may not be aware of is over on Shopify, you can set up a Shopify store and you can sell printables, which are essentially the same thing. Here is an example of a weekly fitness planner, which is 8 pages that sells for $7. And you simply sell the printable or the PDF. And then what happens is after they purchase it on Shopify, the customer downloads the PDF to their computer and they print it out as they need it. So they can print it out in color or you can provide it to them in black and white. Typically, these are going to be in color versus like what you see in the low content world on Amazon, which is a black and white planner or journal. And what that would look like is an actual file that they would download. Again, looking at a budget planner, you can see here that I have a planner and it's in full color, and this is a budget planner. And if you look at each page, you can see that there's different styles and there's the ability to track electrical, water, gas, and you can also track your spending goals as well as keep track of your weekly expenses here in this log. Again, this is the same thing that you see over on Amazon KDP that is in black and white, and this sells for $6.99. Which we also all know that $6.99 is not all yours to keep. Amazon takes their cut for the printing cost, and then you get your royalty, which depending on the number of pages is usually around $2 to $3. So now to the training. This is the sales page for the training. There'll be a link in the description. You can click and you're going to see this headline, but I don't want you to worry too much about the headline because all this headline is doing is telling you exactly what Becky did. She earned $7,000 in pure profits in 30 days selling simple printables from her Ecom store. The sales page is going to go through everything that is in the product to include the money that she has made because it is a sales page and they want you to buy the product. But I want you to focus on the sales page or the points of the sales page where they talk about how it's simple, but it's not easy to build a printable e-com business the right way. And the fact that they bring it back to reality with this headline on the sales page, this is the point where the guru would say, buy our course and make $3,697.60 while you're spending your time sipping martinis by the pool, right? Then they say wrong. This is the point, and this is why I wanted to show you the sales page before I show you inside the training to make sure you understand exactly what you're buying. You are not buying a get-rich-quick scheme, just like what we talk about here on the channel. When we create journals for real people, or we create books for real people to help them solve their real problems, which in this case is a budget planner where they can keep and track the money they spend. Of course, if they buy that physical book, they have one copy of it. If they buy your digital planner, your printable, then they have multiple copies and they can print as many as they need because we all know that once you do a budget once a year, then you're going to need to do a budget again the next year. So why not sell them a printable that they can use again and again? Now you might think this might cut into your profits because you want them to buy another book or a new book. And yeah, that may be part of your strategy. But again, we're looking at alternatives and we're looking at things we can do in addition to selling our low content books on Amazon KDP. And in this case, we take that same design and we can sell it in color or black and white and in different formats that can be printed at home to a different audience, a separate audience that finds us on Shopify. So inside the training, Printables Ecom Academy, you have an introduction here from one of the partners with Becky, and you're going to get a training overview, and then Becky is going to walk you through product research on Etsy, Amazon Handmade, on Teachers Pay Teachers, Facebook, Pinterest, and then she's going to walk you through branding your Shopify store or your boutique. Talk about what is the niche, Google Trends, deciding your brand colors, create a logo and a favicon, how to register your Shopify store, how to connect your domain, set up your payment, set up shipping, even set up taxes, create store legal pages and all the other settings you need to know. And then here is something that is key, which is customize a high converting store theme with UX design principles. Because Becky has a background in UX design or user experience design as a web designer. So she's going to walk you through picking the theme, editing the header, editing the menus, creating a slideshow, customizing your store, setting up your store preferences, and then walk you through the best Shopify apps to use, as well as what a PLR product is. Now, I've done a video here on the channel that explains exactly what a PLR product is. I'll put a link in the card because you need to understand what PLR is. That's private label rights. Basically, these are products that you can buy that have a commercial license that you can use as your own. Think Creative Fabrica. Most of you are going to be familiar with that. You can purchase a product from Creative Fabrica, and then you can take it and you can customize it and you can sell it as your own product. That is what a PLR product is. Becky's going to walk you through that, as well as one of the upsells or the additional purchases that you can make inside of this training is buying some more done-for-you products that Becky has created for you. And I'll cover those in a second. So back to the training, how to sell a PLR product as your own, listing a printable planner, as well as walking through different store collections, and also finishing touches on your store, which is using CSS to remove some shipping statements and comments. Simple thing here is she's going to show you how to do some techie stuff with some HTML, CSS code, where you remove the shipping information inside of the Shopify store because these aren't physical products, they don't get shipped. So she shows you how to take that away to get rid of any confusion so people know it's a digital download and they can download it instantly and print it on their computer and use it right away. So back inside of Printable Ecom Academy, you're going to have some done-for-you products that you can purchase. Here you have some done-for-you journals, some printer papers, some kids coloring pages, some adult coloring pages, stickers, blank comic books, dot marker printables, as well as some spot the difference activity sheets. These are going to be sold here on this sales page. 50 done-for-you products that are about $1.50 each. They're going to walk you through each one of these and they're going to show you some examples. And when you scroll through the page here on the Done For You Products, Printable Ecom Academy Done For You Products, you're going to see some examples. And it starts with journals that you see right here, some digital papers, some coloring pages for kids, some coloring pages for adults, some cute stickers, some blank comic book templates, some step-by-step drawing printables, some color by numbers, some dot marker printables, as well as spot the difference activity sheets. Now, when you make your purchase, again, you'll get access to all these printables and you simply click on them and download them. Here you can see the budget planner that we downloaded. Now we're downloading Spot the Difference. So when I open that file, you'll see the bundles that you get right here. And then you simply just open those up and you can see that those bundles come with the PNG as well as the SVG. And of course, I've talked about how to edit SVGs here on the channel as well. And I'll go ahead and leave a card up here to that video so you can check out exactly how to do that. So you can see how all this is going to make sense. And it's the same thing that we do here on the channel. We're just putting it all together and we're coming up with alternatives or additional ways to sell the products that we create or the products that we buy a commercial license to, PLR or private label rights products that we can edit, make our own, and sell again on Amazon KDP or a Shopify store once we go through the training and learn exactly how to set up our Shopify store. Again, link in the description to pick up the Ecom Academy training. I really think it's worth the price, and then of course the upsell or the additional purchase of the Done For You products. Again, really worth the price to get a product that you can customize and sell as your own. Now there is an additional upsell, and they have a headline here, exposed our 1.2 million organic visitors a month secret that brings us thousands of sales month after month. Now this secret is going to be inside the training, and I'm going to show you inside the training, and I'm actually going to show you the secret, and it may not be as big of a secret as you think because traffic comes from places like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, or organic search traffic if you write blog posts, which Shopify actually has a blog component, so you can do that as well. But inside the training, they're going to show you how to market your store, how to create coupons, how to set up MailerLite for email marketing. Scroll down here, they're going to show you how to set up a business account on Pinterest and how to actually create pins and then how to join groups and boards, and give you a solid pinning strategy, as well as some done-for-you Canva templates to make sure you have everything set up correctly on your Shopify store, as well as your Pinterest account. Because these types of journals and printables do really well on Pinterest, because Pinterest is a visible medium. It's like looking at a magazine, flipping through, looking at the pictures, and then of course when you like something or you see something you like, you click on it, it takes you over to the Shopify store and you purchase it. So when you purchase Printables Ecom Academy, you will get the Ecom Academy training right here from Becky. And then of course there will be an additional offer for the done for you products, and you can download those right here, as well as the Ecom Traffic Academy. And you can see the Traffic Academy training, which covers Pinterest there. So that is your KDP alternative in a nutshell. It is setting up and selling printables on Shopify and getting these done for you products, which are for sale again in the link in the description, using this training. And then again, you have the opportunity to purchase the products, as well as the option to purchase the traffic training on how to set up Pinterest to get traffic to your Shopify store, because Shopify doesn't come with built-in traffic like Amazon does, because Amazon is the largest marketplace in the world, as well as you have the ability to set up and run Amazon ads once you create your book. But again, remember what we're looking at here inside the world of publishing. We're looking at simplifying things, and we're also looking for alternatives and additions to selling on Amazon KDP, and that's what this training is all about. And that's why I want to do this video, to let you know that it is on sale right now, and it will be on sale for the next 3 days. Then it will go back to the normal price. And of course, this is the 6th of May, 2021. So when you're watching this video, if it is past the 9th of May, 2021, you missed out on the sale, but you can still get this product as it will be evergreen, meaning it will constantly be for sale and be supported, because there's going to be a Facebook group as well that you can join and you can get inside of there. Of course, I'll be inside of there as well. So I look forward to seeing you there, talking about printables, talking about Shopify, again, as alternatives to selling on Amazon KDP. And one more time, link in the description. Click on that link, hop over, pick up this product, go through the training. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Leave me a comment here, or I'll see you in the Facebook group, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.